Hi musical explorers, welcome to another lesson. Today we're going to continue to do our level 1 theory book. Today we're going to be working on lesson 10 on primary triads. The triads that are built on scale tones are called primary and secondary triads. Each triad has a number. Roman numerals are used to number triads. So here are all the Roman numerals, and they basically are just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, just like that. But they are Roman numerals. So first, primary triads. The primary triads are 1, 4, and 5. These three chords are major, large, uppercase Roman numerals are used to label the major triads. So, since they're major, they will be used in the uppercase Roman numerals. And this is the primary triads in D major. Let's read this. Circle the primary triads and label them with uppercase Roman numerals. Draw lines above and below the Roman numerals. The first one is given. So, they will give us a they will give us they will give us these triads from a key, and we're going to be labeling them, we'll be labeling only the primary triads, which is 1, 4, 5, and 1 again. Well, this one I wrote 8, but technically that's just 1 again, so I'm just not going to write that, but yeah. So we're going to be labeling the primary triads, and we'll be circling the primary triads so we can identify them. So yeah, let's begin. So let's see. So we have G major. Now we basically have to circle the primary triads, which are the first, fourth, and fifth triads. So let's circle those. So this is our first. This is our fourth. And this is our fifth. And also we have to circle this one because this is the first again. So let's just circle that. Now we have to label it. So when we label primary triads, we have to remember to label them as uppercase Roman numerals. So let's do that. So let's do 1. And then 4. And then 5. And this is 1 again. Just like that. Alright, let's do F major. We basically repeat the same process for all of these. So yeah, let's circle the first, our fourth, fifth, and first again. So 1, 4, 5, 1. Got it? Let's do the same thing. First, fourth, fifth, and well, this could be count as like 8th or like first. I don't know. Like it's basically the same as our first triad. Okay. Now remember, when you're writing these uppercase Roman numerals, you want to have the lines above and below the Roman numeral so that they are uppercase. This is again first, fourth, fifth, first. First, fourth, fifth, first. Okay, so yeah, that's how easy it is. We basically want to be able to identify primary triads. And yeah, that was a pretty cool and easy and repetitive exercise, but I think it's pretty important to know how to do those. Okay, so now we are going to number the notes of these scales using Roman numerals. Draw the primary triads above the notes. Watch the clef sign. The first one is given. Okay, so now we're going to be building the primary triads as well as labeling all of the notes with their Roman numeral. So as you can see, they're not triads yet, but the secondary triads are in lowercase. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So let's first build our primary triads. So they give us the root note. So we're just going to build a snowman. Oh, that's so wonky. So we're just going to build a snowman. And yeah, let's build a little triad like that. That's our first triad. Now our fourth, remember? And then the next one is going to be here. And then here. We only do it for our primary triads. And now we're just going to label it through 1 to 1. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 again. Oh, they put brackets. Let's do that too. Okay, let's do F major now. So, let's see. Yes, we build snowmans again. So you're just going to add 2 notes above, just like that. And that, and that. Those are our primary triads in F major. So now let's write or label all of the Roman numerals. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I think this exercise is also pretty helpful for us to memorize what the Roman numerals look like and what number they represent. So yeah, let's keep going. Let's do our primary triads. And label. Alrighty, let's do F major. So build the primary triads again. Oh, hold on. Okay, let me see. Okay, so let's see. Check something. Okay, so I actually made a little mistake here. So I forgot something in G major. Do you guys know what I forgot? Well, let's think. So, what is in the key of G major? Oops. So in the key of G major, we have F sharp. Well, we have an F over here. So yeah, I forgot the F sharp. So let's sharp that really quick. That is my mistake, but it's okay. We can just fix it. All right, it's okay. Let's hop back into where we were. Let's do F major now. Let's keep going. So again, build triads. Okay, now we're just gonna label them. And this is one again. So just like that. Awesome. Okay, so now let's move on to our next page. So we are going to be drawing only the primary triads of these given majors. So yeah, we're also going to be labeling their primary triads with the Roman numerals. So let's do just that. So first we have to create a G major triad. So we're just gonna create one right here. So G. Okay, that's very clashed. So let's do. Now G major, we have F sharp. So is there any F? Nope. So that's good. So that is gonna be our first one. Now we have to find our fourth note since we're doing our fourth triad. So we're gonna go 4 from G. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just gonna start on a C. It's just gonna start here like that, right? Now we're gonna find our fifth because we're doing fifth next, right? So we're just gonna go one note above C, which is D. So we have that here, just like that. Now what are we missing? Accidentals. So what is in the key of G major? Well, there's F sharp. So there's an F here, so we have to sharp that F. So it's like that. Now let's label our Roman numerals. So obviously it's just 1, 4, and 5. See how easy that was? Let's keep on doing it, and let's do F major now. So F major is here. Let's pull the F major triad. And then let's do our fourth note. Fourth note from F major is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's B. So our note is going to begin on a B. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let's do accidentals first. So what is in the key of F major? So in F major we have B flat. So we're going to flat the B that we see. Now we're going to do our fifth. So we have to go a step above this, which is just going to be a C. And we're going to build a triad with it. Okay, now let's label the notes, or label the Roman numerals. Awesome. Let's do G major in bass clef now. Okay, so let's begin on a G. Just like that. Awesome. Let's move to our fourth. So our fourth is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be in C. It says C. Like that. And now our fifth, which is going to be here. Now in the key of G major, we have F sharp. So let's sharp the Fs we see. So we see one F over here. So we're going to sharp that. Great. Let's now label the Roman numerals. Like that. All done. Now let's do C major. So this one's pretty easy because we know there's nothing in C major. So we can just draw the triads. So let's begin on a C. Fourth note in C major is F. So we're going to begin on an F here. And then we're going to go a step up to the fifth. Just like that. Now let's do our Roman numerals. like that. Okay, let's do F major now. So let's draw a triad in F. Awesome. Moving on to the fourth. The fourth note of F major is B. So we're going to go here. Now we're going to go a step up to the fifth. Like that. Now what is in the key of F major? In F major we have B flat, right? So there's a B there, so we have to flat it. Just like that. Oh, okay. Now we still have to label the Roman numerals. I almost forgot that step. So it's 1, 4, and 5, of course. So yeah, I think that's going to be it for today's lesson. We have a review coming up, which I think we'll be completing together along with our next lesson, which is lesson, which is lesson 11. So we'll be doing lesson 11 and our review in our next video, in our next lesson. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing that with you guys. Alright, musical explorers, that's going to be it for today's lesson. I had so much fun doing all this work with you guys. So yeah, we'll be doing our review and our next lesson in our next video, and I hope to see you guys again in our next lesson. So yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!